Hello from the north of Scotland. Ben Loyal's hiding up there and Loch Loyal in the distance. I'll show you a bit of that. Almost blown off my feet coming over there. And today I'm going to Achnanclach Bothy. Stayed at Tongue Hostel last night. Walked up the hill and south along the Achnanclach Road this way. Thankfully a couple stopped to pick me up. It was very windy and I couldn't hear cars coming from behind me. And the Bothy's over this way somewhere, and I'm just going to have a look at the map to make sure I'm going to be on the path. Welcome to Achnanclach Bothy, and it's time for the tour. Sheep flanks outside, which are still used, so do not chop up the fence. Right, in we go. Go left first. Looks like a darts scoreboard, but there's no dartboard. First room in on the left, a bit Spartan, bench, seats, table and a fireplace. Through here, shovel, brush, that's what I like to see. Saw, do not cut live wood. This looks like the main room. Table, bothy book, creepy skulls, a dresser. And a wee mini room in here, a box room. I'll either sleep in that wee room or in here. Depends. People turn up in that. If there's a wild party, I'll sleep in there. Mind your head going in here. I cracked mine on the way in when I first got here. Bedroom, 3 beds. Furnishing's minimalist in this bothy, but I'm glad to get here. And that's your tour. Do you like it? It's alright, quite high ceiling. And I'm glad I'm here. And now to get set up. Ben Loyal, in the distance Ben Hope, in the far distance I don't know if it's Cranstachy, Ben Spinney or Ben Kinnabeen, which is nearer Dumness. I think it's Ben Kinnabeen and Cranstachy and that behind Ben Hope. And you might pick up Knock Craggy just to the right there. And Ben Stimina, I think, is behind us with its outliers here. So, oh, there's my charger fell down. Cheers. Last can vibes. The fire's not taking too well, but I'm sure we'll be alright. I'll burn down. Achnanclach, first of 5 on this tour. And a couple of wild camps as well, maybe. Thanks for watching. Hazy Jane by Brewdog. Much maligned distillery. It's very hoppy, but it's alright. 5%. It's alright. And just going to enjoy the rest of the night, get some food, heat the place up. It's a bit cold, up a bit high here, maybe about 500 feet, 150 metres, 170 metres, about that I think. But near the north coast and it's a cold wind, just as well a badass. But this Spartan Bothy is I'm actually going to, that fire alarm's doing my nut, and I'm going to try and set fire at the other end. How dare a fire alarm be in my rucksack for so many hours travelling north and then be shit. There we go. Something about a real fire, just so much better than a warm one. It's actually alright, it's actually alright. Good morning from Achnanclach. If you look at Ben Loyal in the distance, you see that moon, beautiful. What a start to the day. It's a bit cold, midges are out, but I'm up. Had an alright sleep. Nobody came, so that's 7 in a row. I've been here on my own. I've been in a bothy on my own. Stuff is everywhere because I was looking for my sport last night. Didn't find it. Well, I've had breakfast, found my spork. It was where I left it, in one of my top pockets. I couldn't find it last night after a few beers. I'm just taking my time today. A lovely sunny morning. Look at this, charging my phone out there. And it's just about chilling out today and not rushing. Going to go back down to Tongue. I'm sure I'll get a spot at the campsites. Quite a lot of spaces. Touch wood. And I'll walk back to the road via the loch. If you look at Knock Craggy there, the road just runs underneath that, and that way that's where I'm going. Great Bothy. Had a good sleep. No issues with mice. Although this door was open when I got up this morning. I'm 100% sure I closed it last night. I closed them all. Maybe I opened it when I got up for the toilet during the night. Who knows? Great place. Thank you, MBA. And I have left no mess. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you some other time.